Hey, Steve here. I want to show you just 4 strategies that a client sent us that is using on our RaceDBase Betfair betting bot. Now these are selections or criteria I should say that he's put into the bot and just let run, and these are his 19 days results since the 31st of December. So he got the bot between Christmas and New Year and put his settings in, and this is what it's produced. £217 in 19 days, just chasing a £1 profit target. 2 back strategies and 2 lay strategies, and the bot has another spare back and spare lay, so you can put in a couple of strategies you like. We will give you these 4 strategies if you buy the bot. In the owner's manual, for those who have already got it, you will see these 4 strategies already mentioned down the very bottom. Okay, so what we've done is as I said, 217 he's made in 19 days. In the back he's made back 1 strategy, £110, back 3 strategy, £20.20, and the lay strategy 2, £65 and £21.60 for the lay 3. And you can see there plenty of action over those 19 days in the UK racing. 655 bets for a profit of 217, as we mentioned, and an overall return on 28%. Now, how did we get the 28%? Is obviously the backing is pretty easy. For every pound he's put on, he's made 25 pence profit, so that's the return on investment. But in the lays, it's return on risk. Okay, so he's risked on his return for risk. For every pound he's risked, he's made 22 pence profit and 39 pence on the lay 3. You can see there only 32 lay 3 over the 19 days. And the winners, well, the winners have been pretty good obviously there. In the backing he's got a 24% strike rate on back 1, 29 on back 3, and both the lays are showing 66% strike rate for winning lays. Okay, let's a bit deeper into each one and just look at the daily graph. So the back one, you can see there, had it's had 3 losing days, but we ended up there at 110 for the 19 days. If we go on to back 2, we can see there £20.20, 2 losing days, very, very small, but all the rest winning. Okay, obviously a lot less bets, as we said. In the lay 2 strategy, we've had 1 losing day there of about £12, another one there of about £4, but all the rest of the days have been in profit, and a £65 profit from the lay 2s. In the lay 3s, we've had 3 losing days, £21 profit for the lay 3 strategy. As I said, you'll get these 3 strategies that in the manual, so if you've already got RaceDBase betting bot, then you can just go into the manual and get these strategies exactly as the client is using here. So this bot does pricing, betting to prices, but also betting to criteria. If you have a look at the rest of the page, you'll see that you can put in the criteria like amount of days since last start, all those sort of things you can plug in to the RaceDBase bot. Okay, so I thought I'd just give you a taster of what's happening in 2023 with RaceDBase. Yes, it is kicking goals. Yes, in 19 days the purchase has well and truly been paid for the rest of the 12-month license. So if you're getting into horses, don't have much time, this is a great way. You can run it on auto, but any time you can bring the bot up and just see what it's doing and enjoy the racing without the fatigue of having to put the bets on. So thanks for being with us over all these years. If you've got into the Australia horse racing bot that we released earlier in December and you're enjoying that, well, here is a similar bot you can use on the UK races. So thanks for watching this short video, and on behalf of Michael and myself, Steve, we wish you a great 2023.